Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S23 to an Android device. You need to start by opening Play Store on both. Now click on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and get this free app. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, click on I accept, confirm, continue, allow, and in this pop-up, not now if you wish to. Lastly, close it by choosing OK. Then do exactly the same on the other device, in my case Samsung. I accept, confirm, continue, allow, OK. From here, you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung and then tap on Receive also at the bottom of your Android next to Send. In this pop-up about ads, you need to scroll all the way down. Click on the best option for you, yes I agree or no thanks, and close it by choosing Close this window. Then go back to your Samsung. Finally, you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and click on Send, next selected. This way, you will choose all of them and transfer them later on. I will go with only couple of files, so I have to click on the chosen one. In my case, this one photo. Click on Send and tap on Got it. From here, we have to wait to connect. If you wish to connect using this QR code, you need to tap on the scanning icon on an Android next to Input key. Then select while using the app or only this time. And point your device's camera at the code. You can also go back and input this key instead by tapping on Input key section, typing in all of those numbers, and tapping on Receive button. Now, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!